Alright guys, so I finally got my Hot Toys John Wick 4 figure special edition. Just got it today, this morning. This is the MMS729 16 John Wick 4 special edition. So I'm so excited, and let's open this up. As you can see in the background, I've got my my collection of accessories from the John Wick movie. You see there are my coins, the rosary, and the broad compact image. Right, so here it is. I'm opening it. John Wick, and it's red. Nothing inside. That's it. It's quite light, matching the red color of this one. That is beautiful. Sideshow exclusive. And you also probably know that I also cosplay John Wick. You probably have seen some of my videos, and that's why I have my necktie here. I'm trying to decide what to use. So let's open this up. Okay, nice. So here's the box. The back. John Wick. Wow, this is amazing. It is big, man. 16 scale. Be careful, you know. Alrighty. That's the back. Chapter 4, John Wick. Let's put that in here. And let's open this up. Here's the Wick. Okay. There we go. We got the hands. And it's taped too. Really cool. You can see all the details. The veins and the coloring. Wow, it looks really nice. Look at that. This one, look at the veins. So here you have his right hand, and here you have a severed finger for the left hand. And this is the right for holding the bow and arrow. And this is the left with the severed finger. Right, left with the severed finger. Right, right, left with the severed finger. Left with a 7-finger. That's really cool with all the details. And this is the AR-15, I guess. Taran Tactical AR-15 with a light. And red dot. Okay. I didn't know he has light. And this one too, look. Double stack. Okay. Oops, one of the coins fell. I need to, Alright, so here got the coin, the lion, and this one is not clear, but it's supposed to be the lady. So do you have three? You're supposed to have 3 coins are separate and 3 stacks of coin, just to let you see what it looks like. That's the lion, and there's the lady at the back. Okay. He doesn't have the rosary. What? Okay, so here it is. There's foam. That's the figure. That is so awesome. At first, when you look at the pictures, when they revealed it, it looks like gray, but it's actually charcoal gray. It's black. And you see there's some kind of pattern. Look at that. Wait. I need to fix this. It's magnetic, so you don't have to really button it. And I believe you can switch the hair if you wanted to. In the last movie, John Wick 4, he has a longer hair, so that's why his hair looks like that. I like that. Compared to the John Wick, the first John Wick, his hair was shorter. This one is kind of long now. Okay, so there you go. You can switch that. Oh, okay. Maybe you have to remove the back first. Yeah, just like the one I have for. Oops. And that's the how you move the eyes. I wish they have some kind of a pole that holds both eyeballs, so you can just move the eyeballs together the same direction, because you really don't move your eyes individually, but the detail is amazing. And what is this? Oh, okay, so that thing is used for the eyes, to move the eyes. Gotcha. It really looks like Keanu Reeves. So you could switch it with this one, and then put this thing here. Perfect. So his hair looks more even. I like that. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm gonna use this necktie for my cosplay, because it matches John Wick. I think I like this one. So let's see. He's got his sword, his katana. Wow, with that kind of tuba, and with a bow and arrow, not arrow, well. And then the nunchuck. It's quite long. It's quite long. And then you got your Taran Tactical. I think you can even pull this. That's really cool. And this one even moves back. You can even remove the magazine. And then you have also this one. Gun 13 with a can you move? You can move it. Oh my gosh! But it doesn't have the just have the red dot without scope. I have that kind. You can remove this. Yeah, look. Oh, you can move the red dot. That's cool. And this one you can also move, extend. I'm trying to get the flintlock. Old fashioned. It's not really a flintlock. Huh. Probably like 1800 Western pistol or something. I love this. Then you just stand. John Wick with bullet holes. 124. See that? It's a cool extra. So there we go. Of course, you have all the articulation. What kind of belt does he have? He doesn't have a belt buckle? What? Did they miss the buckle? Is it really like that? Let's see the boots. Let's see what kind of boots he uses. Does he use square toe boots? No? Oh, he doesn't wear boots, he just wears regular, yeah, regular shoes. And it's not even square toe. Okay. But look at the detail, the eyes, that is so nice. I have to remove that. Still a plastic in there. Let's remove one of this. Still have plastic. It's really cool, but the detail on this one is not that detailed. But the beard, I like it. So there you go. I think that's all there is. The new John Wick. Oops. You can bend the fabric because it has wires in it, so you can form. You can do it like that. See? Like it's opening up. That's really cool. There's wire inside. I like the ball joint of the eye. You have foam over there. Oops. So you can put the feet like that. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so we didn't get to see this one. It's like a manual. So, but it's in Chinese. So you see all the stuff in here. Oh, look at that. Magnet. I guess there's really no belt buckle. I don't see any belt buckle. Alright, so once again, this thing is used to move the eyes. If you want to move the eyes, like turn it sideways like that. Let's see. It says you can open. Oh yeah, look at that. You can open the thing. Another detail. And you can move the light too. Cool. And you move that. And he has his severed finger. Where is that thing? It's this one. Oh. Huh. Cool.